No, first of all, সঁচাকৈ আমি বিভিন্ন অসমৰ যিমান ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্টবিলাক আছে সব ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট হেডকোৱাৰ্টাৰত আমি এই সত্যাগ্ৰহ প্ৰগ্ৰামটো লোৱা হৈছে এইটোৰ কাৰণে যে নৰেন্দ্ৰ মোদী ডাঙৰীয়াই গোটেই বিজেপি বাহিনী গোটেই RSS বাহিনী they used to call Rahul Gandhi Papu 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 जिसको पप्पू कहते थे अभी वो बाघ बन गया. The one whom they tried to diminish him, making him Papu, today he became a tiger. They thought Rahul Gandhi is very innocent adult. He knew nothing. That is the meaning of Papu. Now the same Papu, which BJP thought has made the walking from Kanyakumari to Kashmir. More than 3 months. 3 mahor bishi Kanyakumari pura Kashmir loi padayatra korise hi Papue. Aru etu okol nohoy. Lahe lahe BJP e gom phale. RSS came to know this is not a Papu. If Rahul Gandhi survive, if Rahul Gandhi is in the open sky, that BJP will not come back in 24. So that was their Sotojantra, that was their conspiracy. They were trying to stop Rahul Gandhi's speech. They are trying to block him from every nook and corner from being a public man. That is what they did. So what we feel today is Kokrajhar under the leadership of Kokrajhar DCC President Pranjit Bosumutari Danguria. We are here today to tell to the people of this country, to tell the BJP, to tell the people of this country is that Dharamot. Rahul Gandhi is for the people of this country. He is protecting the Loktantra. He is protecting the democracy. Without Rahul Gandhi today, we will miss a big missing. That's why we are here today. We are making a satyagraha that Rahul Gandhi, we are with him, Rahul Gandhi. You are not alone. The whole nation is with you. Even the United Nations is giving a remark about the idea of BJP. They are removing him from being a member of Lok Sabha. All those tales and all the opposition parties have come together, and even the AAP Supremo Kejriwal and then Trinamool leader Mamata Banerjee and many other opposition leaders also came together in aid of Rahul Gandhi. That tells that India is with Rahul Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi is there for the nation.